Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore the world of brave lumberjacks and their highly skilled work. Get ready to witness professional wood cutting techniques and learn valuable safety tips. Let's get started. When confidence becomes overconfidence, even the simplest tasks can turn into disaster. Every time the tree starts to fall, I feel both scared and excited. It's an indescribable feeling, completely parallel. He is a real expert. Watching his work is actually more satisfying than when it collapses. It feels like witnessing a part of the ancient forest's history collapse majestically, but with a bit of regret. Prepare all safety equipment, observe and choose the correct working posture. That is one of the golden rules he must follow. Working at height is really dangerous. These are the sounds of the days, both gentle and strong. From this perspective, you can see the danger and challenge, a moment of distraction, and the risk of losing balance is real. Powerful moment. Precision is key when working on a large tree. Correct face and back cutting can greatly reduce the risk of the tree falling unexpectedly. Using wedges to control the direction of the fall is a smart move. It is always better to be cautious and take your time. This is a safe method of dealing with a dead tree instead of removing it with a chainsaw, which requires a professional team and a large and safe area to avoid damaging surrounding structures. The scenery is truly majestic. The logger's job is to clear and cut down dead and rotten trees. Their experience in observing and organizing their work ensures they stay safe while completing their tasks. Wages, day labor. Those guys not only cut down trees, they also challenge the trees by weight with chainsaws. Every move is calculated like a dance with the giants of nature. Leave a comment below if our video is amazing. Your support fuels our creative fire. Invincible. How long do you think it will take him to take down this giant monster with that giant chainsaw? Leave a comment below. Join us as we watch lumberjacks cut down giant trees. Oh my God, what confidence do they have to do this dangerous job? There are always surprises in this job requiring quick reflexes and proper safety. A gust of wind blew the tree and lifted its roots out of the ground, which was very dangerous. Luckily, no one was around. Watching the tree feller is like a masterclass in logging. A well-executed takedown of a really big tree. Watching the big tree fall perfectly is mesmerizing. Things are only dangerous when you don't know what you're doing. Oh no, the houses are avoiding the wrath of the high branches with this smart approach. He's so precise, he got the right direction. Well done. It is the result of teamwork. Efficiency helps prevent the risk of harm to yourself and everything around you. For a true professional, there is nothing they cannot do. It was the satisfying sound of a tree falling. Perfect. The lumberjack's cutting technique. He had used it for many years. Do you think it was really dangerous? Nature really knows how to play tricks when a tree falls. The sound of a chainsaw is always a mix of gentleness and power. The coordination with the saw made it easier for them to complete the task more efficiently.
Kept that nice and small, so that way when it goes, it pops. I want it to jump away from all this.
Cedar can be a beast to handle, especially when leaning back, thinking smart, with strings and tension. It's all about working the angle. Don't take risks. First-hand experience of the thrill of danger. There is nothing more challenging than moving a large tree next to a house. Any wrong move can lead to serious consequences. To complete the job, you must have professional qualifications and absolute determination in assessing the height of the tree, the diameter of the natural leaning tree trunk, and especially the safe distance between surrounding structures. Amazing engineering. Watching that giant tree fall is like watching an artist complete their masterpiece.